Picture this. You're texting a girl. Conversations seem fine, but then suddenly she starts pulling away. Short replies, longer gaps, less energy. Your first instinct? Double text, spam her memes, or try harder to get her attention. But that only pushes her further away. Why? Because chasing kills mystery, and mystery is the very fuel that makes someone miss you. Here's the psychology. Human beings are wired to value what feels scarce. Think about it. Limited edition sneakers? People camp outside stores. Mass-produced socks? Nobody cares. The same principle applies to relationships. When your attention is always available, it becomes cheap. But when you create space, when your presence is not guaranteed, it activates a powerful psychological trigger: curiosity. And curiosity, mixed with uncertainty, makes the mind restless. That's when she starts thinking about you. Let's break down the science. Studies in behavioral psychology show that intermittent reinforcement, the same mechanism that makes gambling addictive, is incredibly effective in relationships. When you're not constantly in her face, every message, every moment of attention you do give becomes unpredictable and exciting. She doesn't know when you'll text back, and that unpredictability makes her brain release more dopamine when you finally do. It's not about playing games, but it's about shifting from overavailability to strategic presence. Another factor is emotional contrast. If you're always around, your presence becomes normal. But when you step back, when you immerse yourself in your goals, your gym grind, your passions, you create distance. Then, the next time she sees you or hears from you, it hits harder. Your absence builds anticipation. Your reappearance creates impact. And here's the twist. So, how do you make any woman miss you badly? Stop handing out your attention like free samples. Step into your own life, build your value, create space, and let silence work in your favor. Because the truth is, missing someone isn't caused by their constant presence, it's caused by their noticeable absence. Be that absence she can't ignore.